I'm at my shop today and it's pretty noisy, so I'm going to do this as a voiceover. But I got the Ulanzi LM18 little mini light for the DJI Action 3 and 4. That's what it says on the package, but I'm pretty sure it works on the 5 as well. Came with instructions. No one reads these. And a USB cord for charging it. And of course the light. The light comes in this package, sealed so it's secure, but it's also very hard to take out of. I didn't want to rip it, but here's the light itself. It's super small, but the quality on it is pretty amazing. Has 3 different modes of lights, if you could imagine, from lowest, medium, high, and it has a button on the side. It looks just like the DJI, the way the button is, and it has the magnetic mount, so it can mount to the little magnetic clips on the side to secure it. Very secure. I would feel safe with it on, and easy to turn on as well. This is what it looks like as a unit. You can mount it to either of the mounting points on either the side or the bottom. And this is me kind of flicking through the different settings. You can kind of see the light reflecting on the desk. But it's really good. I'm really impressed with how it lights up. I'm impressed with how it connects, how easy it is. And I also like how it looks like a factory unit. Here's some close-ups. To be honest, the Action 4 isn't the greatest in low light situations, so I'm hoping that this helps for those needs. It also has a waterproof seal where you charge with the USB. Right now I'm in the closet and it's completely dark in here, as you can tell. And now I'm in the same closet with the light on the dimmest setting, and I think it's pretty good. Unless you want to be like full-blown ghost hunter, and you can go to the highest setting, which I think is a little crazy. But overall, would I buy it? I did buy it. But would I suggest that you buy it? I think so. I would say it's really good. I mean, especially for the price. It's only like 15 to 17 bucks. I think it's kind of a no-brainer, at least to have in the kit if you're an Action 4 person. You never know when you need it. It might come in handy. Hopefully this is helpful if you're thinking about buying it. If you do, I left the link down below. Thanks again for watching. Keep on creating. Peace.